and welcome to our channel. You've been watching our videos but you still haven't subscribed to our channel.
Please subscribe to PowerPuffMumz.
Yes, you need to hit the colorful icon or you can hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel. So today we are going to tell you a very interesting recipe which is made out of most underrated products in our kitchen. The first one is the ragi flour. It is a gluten-free flour and it is very high in iron. It is used to treat anemia, and I came across this atta when I was expecting this one, and this is our second ingredient. Okay, so we need to tell them all the rest of our ingredients, Ruhan.
Yeah.
What are we gonna make today?
Beetroot Paratha.
Okay, so we are making beetroot paratha, and we're gonna make the dough first in front of you, and you're gonna see what the ingredients are next, and you're gonna help me.
What are you waiting for? Let's go.
Okay, so welcome to my kitchen, and now we're gonna mix the dough. And first thing first, we're gonna grate the beetroot. You can use one big beetroot or two small ones. I'm gonna finely grate it. And what else we're gonna do? Let's show it to you. Come on, let's get started.
Now we are going to mix all the ingredients of our recipe. First, wheat flour, then ragi flour,
Then some coriander powder, half spoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt.
and we add khichdi. Mama makes khichdi when she is not feeling well. I love it, but Papa does not.
So the leftover khichdi along with ginger garlic paste, and then we add beetroot. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Yummy beetroot. In the dough I haven't used a lot of water because beetroot already has water in it. Paratha is a great way of using beetroot for kids who usually don't intake it directly, like in salads or juices. And since I'm a North Indian Punjabi girl, I stuff it with loads of cottage cheese. Now that's improvisation we love. So the sweetness of beetroot is neutralized with my salty cottage cheese. And I put paratha on iron griddle and cook it at low flame with ghee. Cook it well both sides by pressing it, and due to ragi and beetroot, it will look cooked but it is not. So press it nicely. Oh my god, it looks yummy, and my toddler calls it pink roti. I make shapes with my egg shapers and kids love these star and heart shape. You can use knife to make different shapes on their paratha, and they really like well presented food. Sometimes I make sandwiches with salads or leftover sabji from last night. I put some cheese, tomato ketchup, grill, use my shapers to make shapes, and voila, kids eat that.
Beetroot.
Very good. Beetroot. How is it? Can you check?
Yay, yummy.
You gotta give me the real feedback. Check it out. Your mom had been stressing all the time to make some good food for you guys.
Yum.
Yum? Ishan, you wanna eat something?
Yummy. Go.
Okay, eat. Eat. Okay, nice. Okay, bon appetit, guys.
Thank you, Mama. I love beetroot ka paratha.
Oh, thank you, my love.
You also join in.